Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you would remove this headlight assembly if you need to remove it to be able to replace it because it's cracked or broken. Now you'll have to remove the bumper first, so we've gone over how you remove the bumper because see these tabs here, they hold the bumper up, and so you have to remove the bumper to be able to remove this. So there's 3 bolts after the bumper has been removed that are holding this unit on. One is up here, one is back in this corner, and then one right here. They are a size number 10. So with those 3 bolts removed, then we're just gonna kind of pull it up a little bit to get it over the tabs that are, hold it here, bring it out, and then right down below here is another tab that kind of holds it. So we just gotta pull that down a little bit to release it. And then out like that. On the back side, undo your electric connectors or take the lights out themselves. Okay. And then go ahead and undo this one here. And then we've got just a this little clip here. If you just push the tabs together, you can pull it out, and that's just to hold up the electric lines. So that's how you remove your whole housing unit or headlight assembly on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.